Every designer should know about this awesome, super easy QR code generator in Affinity. In this tutorial, let's quickly explore a few options of this tool. From the Shapes menu, the second to last shape is the QR code. Go ahead and create one. Use a solid fill color and make sure the proportions stay constant. By default, the URL is affinity.studio. Go ahead and test it. Now select the QR code and look at the context toolbar at the top. Click on the data field and a window will pop up. From the Type drop-down menu, you can choose what kind of QR code you want. You'll notice the QR code updates instantly as I change the information. I'll go with URL and create a QR code that leads to my channel. Feel free to subscribe, watch a few videos, and leave a comment. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's try something else, like phone calls or SMS. And finally, welcome to Struga, Macedonia. If you enjoy vacations, definitely pay it a visit.
Thank you all!